In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your birth date in Instagram. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can change or edit your birth date in Instagram. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app. Then you click all the way to the bottom right, your picture, and then click on the three lines on top, which is the burger icon, and then you find for account center. Alright, this is the same for both Android and iPhone, yeah? Click on account center, and then you can scroll the way down. You can see here account settings, personal details. Click on it, and then you can see there birthday or date of birth here. Just click on that, and then you can edit, and then you can change your date of birth. Okay, you can even see who can see your date of birth. Click on here, and you can update accordingly. All right. Okay. Anyway, so this is how you can easily change your date of birth or edit your birthday in Instagram. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.